So I'll show you the result, the return loss and the radiation pattern. Go to results, right click, solution data, so you can select the last adaptive so that you could be able to see we have designed for 2.25 gigahertz. We'll close and now go to results, right click, create terminal solution data report. To plot the return loss, use rectangular plot. So there nothing is there to select. You can just click on new report, which will generate a new report, which I have shown you in the previous video. The radiation pattern which was not exact, so that I have does a change in the air, that is the box we have created, except the ground phase, everything have to be radiated. So I have missed to radiate the top portion. That's why you could not be able to view the radiation pattern exactly. So I have changed that and I redo that. The radiation on the top I have done along with all the 4 phases, so that now you can see a clear radiation pattern, and even you can do a comparison between those two. If you missed one side of radiation, the radiation pattern will goes wrong, right? So that was the inference that we can take. So this is the plot which is as similar to the previous one which I have shown. The only change in the radiation pattern, I'll show you that also. Go to create far fields report. There you can choose radiation pattern. Select gain, and here it is gain total. Select the unit dB and then generate a new report. So now it shows you the exact radiation pattern for the values we have assigned. One is between 180 to 180 and the another one is 90 to 90. In the previous video, we'll be having an obtaining and different radiation pattern. Why that was occurred is that I have not radiated the upper part of the air box, so that you have the radiation pattern in a different way. So now I have corrected that. You could be able to see the radiation, a very good radiation pattern. So this was the radiation pattern. You can just do a comparison between the last one and this one. Right, so the radiation pattern for 90 degree of theta value, this is the pattern, and for 0 degree, which is in red color, right? So this is the radiation pattern we obtained for this probe feed patch antenna, right? The previous radiation pattern, there was a mistake, right? Because, why? Because is that, I'll show you that also. We'll be having this diagram. In that you have an air box, right? Except the bottom plane, we have to select all the 4 faces and the top 2. Right, I'll show you that. So this is how the radiation would be. Earlier, the upper part was not radiated. That's why we have a different pattern. Now it is corrected. You could be able to see the radiation pattern perfectly. Right, so this is the radiation pattern. And this was a report. And this was the plot of your return loss. Right. So with this, the antenna design using HFSS, especially the Pro-Feed patch antenna design, is done using HFSS. Thank you all for listening. Thank you.